Hello, this is Everett with the Birding Voyage. Today I'm going to be doing a big birding day. I'm going to be focusing on South San Diego. I'm starting here at the Fort Rosecrans Cemetery. They close here or close to birding around 8, so I wanted to get here first, start the day. Black Phoebe. Yellow rumped warbler. Say's Phoebe. Townsend solitaire. I think this is just a Pacific slope flycatcher. Maybe a western tanager. It's got the wing bar, white wing bar, big bill. Western bluebird. There it is, yellow-bellied flycatcher. California scrub jay. Northern mockingbird. That looks like a summer tanager. There's a gray catbird. Wow, that's awesome. That's a lifer for me, I think. So this bird has a yellow cap, yellow on the back, 2 wing bars. I'm thinking this is a chestnut-sided warbler. Looks like an orange-crowned warbler. Looks like a mature red-shouldered hawk. Okay, finished up at the Fort Rosecrans Cemetery. Now I'm at the Dairy Mart Ponds. I'm going to be exploring this area over the next couple hours. I'm going to start here and then head over to the other spots. Here's a nice look at a Cooper's hawk. Mexico in the background. Here's another look at the Cooper's hawk. I just saw it chasing a pigeon. Looks like it was unsuccessful. I've never seen him running around like that. It's on a roof. And his hummingbird. There's a green heron. It's a northern shoveler. Song sparrow. White-crowned sparrow. House finch. It's a Hutton's vireo, I think. It's a common yellowthroat. It's a group of turkey vultures. Here's a look at Dairy Mart Pond. This is the west end of the pond. Have quite a few birds out there. I'm gonna check them out now. This looks like a western gull. A couple double-crested cormorants. Here are two white-faced ibis. Pied-bill grebe. Here's a mallard. Snowy egret. Okay, I finished up at the Dairy Mart Pond and I'm at the bird and butterfly garden. Kind of quiet right now. It's later in the morning, but western wood peewee. California towhee. Cassin's kingbird. There's a red-winged blackbird. Eurasian collared dove. Ruddy duck. This is one of several black-throated magpie jays that flew by. It's an American widgeon. Belted kingfisher. Common gallinule. There's a couple of common ravens. It's an American kestrel. It's a white-tailed kite. Alright, I finished up at the bird and butterfly garden area, and now I'm at the Tijuana. This is the estuary, so I'll be here for a little bit, see how it goes. Some bush tits. Looks like a house wren. It's a juvenile. I'm not sure if that's a black crowned or a yellow crowned night heron. It looks like a yellow crowned night heron. This looks like a ridge-raised rail. I think this here is an American crow. Yeah. Great egret. I just made it out here to the end of the walkway, and I saw two ridgeway rails run out along the bank, and then they ran back in the bush. But that was cool. Nice area to sit down for a little bit. All right, made it to the beach. It's my favorite part. Took my shoes off because my feet were hurting after walking so much. And I'm just gonna walk along the coast here and then go up to the river mouth. Should be fun. Here's a willet. Another marbled godwit. Here's a whimbrel. Snowy plover. bellied plover. Brown pelican. Comes an osprey. Right now I'm at the Bayshore Lookout. This looks over the San Diego Bay. Looks like there's a lot of shorebirds out there. Supposedly there's a little stint been seen here. 2 American avocets. Black-necked stilt. Here we have a few greater yellowlegs, and then we have 2 different farallopes in front of the greater yellowlegs. The other one just came into view. I had to look back on this a few times. So the darker one with the shorter bill is the red-necked farralope, and then I did a little still shot here so you can see the differences, but the other one is a Wilson's farralope. My next stop is Robb Field and Mudflats. There's the park over there, and here's the Mudflats here. Looks kind of quiet, but hopefully we'll see some good stuff. Least sandpipers. You can see the yellow legs. There's a nice view of a western sandpiper. Oh, there's a semi-palmated plover. We have some western sandpipers, and then that larger one there, maybe a dunlin. House sparrow. Rock pigeons. Gray blue heron. This looks like a short-billed dowitcher. Those 2 gulls are there. Looks like there's a few of them there. Group of ring-billed gulls. It's got that little dark part on its bill, so I'm assuming this is a Caspian. It's a group of black skimmers. A long-billed curlew. A little blue heron. Red-tailed hawk. There's a hawk over here. I'm assuming that's a Cooper's hawk, but it did look a little smaller to me. It could be a sharp-shinned hawk. Okay, I'm wrapping up today. Man, it's a big day. I'm exhausted. I got a lot today. Saw some rare birds, which was cool, and I missed a lot of easy species that I just thought I was going to see, but it's just crazy how every day is so different. About a week after the big day birding South San Diego, I went to a small park in La Jolla to see a couple rare species. So this was a few more birds that I didn't see the first day that I got on this next trip. Lesser goldfinches. It's a Townsend's warbler. Dark-eyed juncos. Scaly-breasted munias. Gray flycatcher. Looks like a Nashville warbler. So this is the bird that I was really searching for and came to see, the black-throated blue warbler. This warbler was really beautiful, and it was a lot of fun watching it. It took me about an hour walking around the park to find it. There was another person there that helped me find it actually, because I couldn't find it on my own. But yeah, I watched it for about 15-20 minutes and then I wrapped it up for the day. So really cool, special moment. Definitely a life for a bird for me. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Birding Voyage.